Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to hide your followers count in Snapchat. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are fairly new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Snapchat app. So I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on the profile icon from the top side. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on the setting icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and simply click on your name. Then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is simply click on edit profile. Then it's going to take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply turn on this button. And with that, you have hide your public followers count to your prospective new followers on Snapchat. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.